with WTI, and if you're looking for blinds for your windows, these ones from BWEROCIQ are definitely ones I recommend. So they come in several different colors. We have it in white. I just love how effortlessly they glide up and down. Gone are the days where we were kids and we had to find the perfect spot for our blinds to stay put. These ones will stop anywhere. They open all the way up, all the way down. They come in many different sizes. We got the one that was the best fit for our window, and I just love how it blocks out all the sun. So even if it's daytime, you can keep out 95% of the sunlight from your room. It also blocks out the heat. So if you're trying to keep a space cool in those summer months, this will do the job. These blinds are one of the easiest blinds you will ever install. You just have to mount the two little brackets. We were going right into wood, so we didn't even need anchors, and then it clips right on. They're very well made, nice and thick, very durable material. I couldn't be more pleased. This is exactly what we wanted. Just something to keep the sunlight out, give us some privacy, and be mounted inside our window. It's perfect for our needs, and I'm sure you'll really like them too, and that's my point of view.